Every subatomic particle is in this moment of counter movement, clockwise and anti-clockwise. The most basic building material of matter in the existence is always going this way. I did not know this till about 4 months ago, when I was invited by a physicist, a professor in the Oxford University who teaches physics, fundamental physics there, and they wanted to see how they can link mysticism and physics, so we sat down for a discussion and this went on and on for about 8 hours non-stop, and even the physicist forgot to go to the bathroom. See, when somebody forgets to go to the bathroom, that means unknowingly they're stepping into a different dimension. Unknowingly. Knowingly if they do it, it would be great, but unknowingly they're moving into a space where physical is not ruling them anymore. When they forget to eat, when they forget to go to the bathroom, when they forget to sleep, that means the control of the physical over their lives is coming down, even without making a conscious effort towards it. And when he asked me, okay, what is the fundamental nature of your perception of your body? I said, the fundamental nature of my body is just this, I did this. He said, what is that? I said, that's the fundamental nature of my body. Don't ask me what's the fundamental nature of me, I can't gesticulate about that. But if you ask me about the fundamental nature of my body, the fundamental nature of my body is this. He said, do you know that is the basic particle in the existence? I said, I don't know, but that's the basic particle in me, because I have not traveled the existence, but I've explored me. Then I said, okay, if that is so, another dimension of me is, I made him hold his hand about 8 inches above my head, and I closed my eyes and sat, and I said, just feel it for some time and see how this is. If you feel this, you will see the movement will not be like this, it will be like this. He said, what is that? I said, that is the last step. That's the last step of physicality. If you go over that, the physical will be finished. He said, do you know this is a sign of infinity? I said, I didn't even know that because I generally did not go to the math classes when I was growing up. I could count my fingers, I thought that was good enough. So, this is happening in the body all the time. This is happening in your system, this is happening in every subatomic particle, this is happening in the whole cosmos, this moment of counterclockwise movement. It is this which is holding the existence together. The fundamental building particle of the physicality is held together only because it is moving both clockwise and anti-clockwise. If it was moving one way, it would spin out of control. Because it is moving both ways, the energy that is created around it is holding everything together. Today, there's a huge… in the scientific circles, there is so many aspects that are being spoken. One thing that they are not able to figure is the nature of gravity. Time and space, they have not figured, but at least they're on the right track to a large extent. I know this sounds arrogant, as if I have to approve the scientific research, but I feel they'll agree with me in about 100 years' time. So, this gravity, which is actually the basis of existence, is generated in these two moments, this clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. And this essential moment of the existence and the snake are very, very directly connected. So its perception, probably if you want to know all the secrets of gravity, you have to just talk to him. If you learn to listen to what he's got to say, he knows why it's all together.